What are the factors which affect the growth of the plant? Number one, food supply. So I think there is no need to explain it also, but you can write it. Okay, what are the things we need for the growth of the plant? What are the things we need? You just think over it. Number one is food supply. Without food, there will be no growth. Number two is water supply. Of course, when we are talking about plants, without water, how can they grow? So, for measurement of growth, uh, or in order to observe growth in the plant, water is necessary, food supply is necessary. And food supply, it looks that there is a direct relationship of growth of plant with the water, because it is very, very necessary that all the metabolic activities of the plant are related to water. We are learning right from the beginning. That is from unit number 1, we are learning how the water is related to plants, isn't it? The osmosis, समझो imbibition है या diffusion है, isn't it? Different plasmolysis है, permeability है, all the aspects are related to water. So when we are talking what are the factor which affect the growth, is water and food also. What do you mean by food? आपने मिनरल न्यूट्रिशन चैप्टर में देखा है कि माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी चाहिए, macronutrients भी चाहिए. All these are necessary for the growth of the plant. And water supply also I have commented on. Now coming to the oxygen supply. Third factor which affects the growth of the plant is oxygen supply. Oxygen, without oxygen, how the respiration can occur? So that's why important factor is oxygen. जहाँ पे वाइटल एक्टिविटीज के लिए ऑक्सीजन चाहिए, रेस्पिरेशन के लिए ऑक्सीजन चाहिए, सेल डिवीजन के लिए ऑक्सीजन चाहिए. सो ऑल दीज आर very very important. Fourth factor is temperature. At what temperature the plant is growing also makes effect on the growth of its uh, on its growth. Whether it is growing at low temperature, whether it is growing at high temperature, okay, it also makes a very very big difference on the growth of the plant. So optimum temperature is needed for any plant. How the temperature should be? Temperature should be optimum. It should not be very chilling or it should not be very high. It should be optimum. Each organism is having its own optimum temperature. Each organism will be having its own optimum temperature. So we have to what we have to provide a proper temperature for the plant. Next factor is light. Of course, plants, they require very important factor called as the light. Light also is having different reasons, or different aspects are very important as far as light is concerned. कौन से? नंबर वन, ये देखना चाहिए कि इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लाइट कैसा है. लाइट की इंटेंसिटी कैसी है, कितना लक्स ऑफ लाइट आ रहा है. If proper light, if it is not coming, what happens? Etiolation takes place. अब etiolation यानी क्या? Etiolation means a compound is synthesized in the plant जिसका नाम होता है etiolin, जिसकी वजह से yellow leaves are formed. I think it is clear to you. If light is not provided to the plant, leaves they become yellow. Why they become yellow? Due to etiolin. Due to etiolin. That is a thing. Quality of the light is also very important. क्वालिटी कैसी है लाइट की, ये भी बहुत ये फर्क पड़ता है ग्रोथ के ऊपर. अल्ट्रावायलेट रेस है, इंफ्रारेड है, ब्लू लाइट है, ग्रीन लाइट है, ये सब मायने रखते हैं. सो क्वालिटी ऑफ द लाइट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कमिंग टू द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द लाइट, आप ऑलरेडी आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू फोटो पीरियड. तो वहाँ पे व्हाट इज मीन बाय ड्यूरेशन, whether it should be 6 hours, whether it should be 8 hours, or whether it should be 12 hours, it all plays a very important factor. Now coming to the last factor which helps the plant to grow, that is growth hormone, without which plant cannot grow. Growth hormone, there are different type of growth hormones like auxins है, gibberellins है, cytokinins है, जो मैं आपको आगे आगे के क्लास में पढ़ाऊंगी. सो दिस इज बिकम्स ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट ग्रोथ हार्मोन्स जो है वो कैसे हेल्प करती है. So there are different type of growth hormones which is necessary for the plant. माइन्यूट क्वांटिटी में हार्मोन्स का सिंथेसाइज होना ज़रूरी होता है. सो इस तरह से फैक्टर्स जो अफेक्ट करती है ग्रोथ को, ऑल दीज आर फूड सप्लाई, वाटर सप्लाई, ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई, टेम्परेचर, लाइट और growth hormones. All these they make a very important thing in order to grow. प्लांट ग्रो करने के लिए सभी फैक्टर्स जो है वो मायने रखती है.